Have you ever wondered how your car's engine starts and keeps running smoothly? The answer lies in a small but essential component, the ignition coil. In today's video, we'll explore how ignition coils work, the signs of a faulty one, and how you can fix or replace it. An ignition coil, also known as a spark coil, is an essential part of the ignition system and helps to start a car's engine. An ignition coil is commonly located on the cam rocker cover, on the engine's uppermost. The ignition coil is either physically connected to the spark plug with wires or sits on top of the spark plug without using wires. A faulty ignition coil can make it difficult for you to start the engine, cause the engine to misfire, and result in a poor fuel economy. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the ignition coil related error codes. First, carefully remove the ignition coil from the engine. Check to see if the ignition coil is either stained or damaged. If the ignition coil is covered with engine oil or stains, simply clean it with a WD-40 cleaner. Otherwise, replace the damaged ignition coil with a new one. To extend the life of your ignition coils, regularly inspect your spark plugs, avoid using low-quality fuel, and keep your engine components clean. And there you have it, everything you need to know about ignition coils. Whether you're diagnosing an issue or replacing a bad coil, this is a job you can handle with just a few tools and some know-how. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.